Hi everyone, I am Shahan Layek. Welcome back to my channel and let us discuss something different today. So this is a topic of psychology. Now you can see a drawing. Can you see? This is known as Inkblot. So Inkblot is a certain kind of drawing test. You can see this is for different kinds of psychoanalysis. Basically, it is for understanding thinking disorders and other emotions. What is there underlying your head? We can understand by this simple drawing. You can see it. Now, what are you seeing? Are you seeing some two people looking at each other? Or you are seeing a lungs? Or you are seeing something different here? I don't know what you are seeing. Everyone may be seeing this picture differently. So, what is this? Let us go about this. This is actually a Rorschach test. Okay, Rorschach test. So, what is Rorschach test? So, basically, Rorschach test is a kind of psychological test in which subjects' perception of inkblots are recorded. So you can see different kinds of this inkblot pictures are shown. This is one inkblot picture. This is one. You can see all this. Let us see one. Now, what you are seeing here? Are you seeing something like sacrum or something like different? I am seeing some sacrum here. I don't know what you are seeing. Anyway, it is different for everyone. So basically all these pictures, these are known as inkblot. Are you seeing two different pictures? Two different person looking away from each other? I am saying that. Maybe you are seeing something different. Or you may be seeing something different. Actually, whatever you are seeing, this will decide that whatever thoughts you are having and what personality you are having. So let us discuss about it. This is known as Rorschach test. Rorschach test. So what is Rorschach test? Rorschach test is a psychological test. It is a kind of psychological test in which the subject's perceptions of the inkblots are recorded. So you will understand the inkblot, the perception in which the inkblot is there. It will be recorded. And basically this is for psychological interpretation. What will be interpreted? Basically they have a algorithm, a complex algorithm by which psychologists usually use this test to examine what kind of personality characteristic trait you are having. Are you having any emotion? What kind of emotion you are having? That is there in your subconscious mind. We can find it out by this test. Personality characteristics, and also it can be if we do this test correctly, then we can find if you are having any thought disorder, if your thinking process is correct or not. So basically, who has started this? This has been started by Rorschach. His name was Hermann Rorschach. So Hermann Rorschach was a Swiss psychologist, Hermann Rorschach, who actually started this examination. This is examination of pareidolia. So it is a specific kind of drawing in which it has a pattern where people perceive different objects and different shapes, sometimes sceneries or meaningful things in the observer's experience. So it depends on which observer. So maybe I am seeing something and you are seeing something different. So it depends on the observer's experience. It also may be a face pattern. Commonly it can be a face pattern. So most commonly being a face or a different kinds of pattern that are not present at the time of observation. So basically this test was most widely used as projective test. You can see this is one example, the first of the 10 cards in Rorschach's test. So basically there are so many cards which has this peculiar type of drawing that will be shown to you, and that will say about your personality trait, about your thought disorder, about your personal characteristics, about your emotion. So that will be based on particular algorithm, and this has been started by a Swiss psychologist known as Hermann Rorschach. Basically, he started drawing this, and actually he worked in a mental asylum, and there he saw different people and of his drawing, and showed everyone, and asked everyone to say what it is, and everyone tried to guess it, and it was completely different. He actually characterized it based on some patterns, and he actually generalized it. And from this analysis you can find out that if you are having any personality trait or personal characteristics, what kind of characteristics you are having, what emotions you are having, and if you are having any thought disorder or any kind of psychiatric disorder. All these things can be understood from these kinds of drawing. This is very, very important. Rorschach test. Thank you so much. This is the end of this video. If you like this video, make a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for getting many more videos like this.